What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Chris Allen at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung cover version ng kantang Thank You For Loving Me by Bon Jovi. At this time, hindi lalaki ang kakanta, it's a female singer na magko-cover, and ang magko-cover is one of my favorite female Indonesian singer, si Fanny Fabiola. So I've done some reaction video ng performance niya, ng cover performance niya ng mga foreign songs. So nandito sa channel ko yan, and this time I'm going to do another reaction video sa kanyang performance. So medyo matagal-tagal na rin na hindi ako nakagawa ng reaction video ng kanyang performance, ng kanyang cover performance. So ngayon papanoorin natin tong performance niya ng Thank You For Loving Me. So with no further ado, let's watch the video, and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said video. Let's go!
The things I wanna say sometimes. There's no one here but you and me. The broken old street lights, lock the doors, believe the world outside.
She's so good, nice to meet you.
All I've got to give to you are these 5 words when I thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe,
Okay, tayo ko napanood natin yung performance ni Vanny Babiola na cover song ng awiting Thank You for Loving Me by Bon Jovi, and wow. Ang galing, ang ganda. Natawa ako kanina yung half part ng song niya, nung performance niya. She sounded like Celine Dion. I think fans siya ni Celine Dion because napansin ko kasi sa mga cover song niya, ang daming Celine Dion cover. So I think she is a fan of Celine Dion. So yun, nakakatawa. She sounded like Celine Dion. Yung parang pinakikinggan mo yung kanyang Bon Jovi na isang rock ballad. Yeah, rock ballad na biglang naging pop yung sounding because of yung boses niya. She sounded like Celine Dion, and I loved the cover version of this song. Bumagay sa kanya, bumagay sa boses niya, and sarap pakinggan talaga ni Vanny Babiola because ang linis niya yung kumanta, and plus yung very emotional siya. Ramdam mo yung emotion ng song, di ba? Ramdam mo na nagpapasalamat siya. She is thankful for being loved by someone, di ba? So yun. So ang galing. I love. Ang linis pati yung pag-abot niya ng mga matataas na note. It was very clean. Ang sarap pakinggan. Parang pwede mo ulit-ulitin tong pakinggan siya because how she performed. So, kaya ang galing ni Vanny Babiola. And this is the reason why I really like her because ang linis yung mag-perform. So, bibihira kasi kanino mag-perform sa mga bansang medyo nag-struggle sa pag-pronounce ng English. Hindi siya nag-struggle. Ang sarap. Malinis yung performance niya. Diba? So, yun. So, kasi yun ang napansin ko sa mga either Malaysian or Indonesian singers na kumakanta ng foreign songs. Nag-struggle sila sa English, and to the point na naapektuhan yung pagkanta nila, naapektuhan yung performance nila. And Vanny is one of the few singers from those country na ang ganda yung pag-pronounce niya ng words. Hindi mo wala kang makita sa kanya or wala kang marinig sa kanya na she sounded like an Indonesian singer, diba? So, kasi ang linis ng performance niya, and nabibigay pa niya ng may puso yung performance niya. So, yun. So, ang galing ng performance ni Vanny Babiola ng song na to, and hindi ako nagkamali, hindi ako nang hinayang to watch and listen to her performance because as tulad ng mga naging performance niya tulad ng mga naging reaction ko to sa mga past cover song niya, lahat ang gaganda, ang sarap pakinggan, ang sarap panoorin, diba? So, yun. So, congrats, Vanny, to your wonderful performance of this song. So, yun. Kayo mga quiz, mga artists, nagustuhan nyo po yung performance ni Vanny Babiola of the song Thank You for Loving Me by Bon Jovi. Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At nagustuhan nyo rin pa ang pinigay kong reaction and opinion ko on the said performance. Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At babasahin ko lahat ng mga comments nyo, and I will try to react at mag-comment back kung kailangan. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Ang Pinoy Talaga channel, Danas Kisio proudly from the vlog, and Tamad Lang People presents. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.